Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an emotional and heartbreaking update from Pati Brahmachari. The upcoming storyline is expected to leave every viewer shocked because Suraj is about to face the biggest tragedy of his life. A single mysterious delivery could change everything forever, turning a happy family into one surrounded by sorrow, mystery, and revenge. Before we begin, if you love daily TV serial updates, upcoming twists, spoilers, and episode reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you never miss another exciting update. Now, let's dive into today's shocking story. The episode opens with a peaceful and cheerful atmosphere inside Suraj's house. After facing several challenges over the past few days, the family finally appears relaxed. Everyone is smiling, sharing conversations, and enjoying a rare moment of happiness together. Meanwhile, Suraj is speaking to Isha on the phone. Their conversation is warm and full of hope. They discuss their future, their dreams, and the belief that all the difficult days are finally coming to an end. Unfortunately, destiny has completely different plans. Just when everything seems perfect, an unknown vehicle stops outside the house. A mysterious sack is quietly delivered to the doorstep. At first, nobody pays much attention to it because no one expects anything unusual. However, within moments, someone notices dark red stains covering the outside of the sack. It looks like blood. The cheerful atmosphere disappears instantly. Everyone falls silent. Fear spreads across every face. Suraj notices the blood and immediately feels that something is terribly wrong. A strange fear takes over his mind. His heartbeat becomes faster, and he cannot ignore the terrible feeling growing inside him. Without saying another word, he quickly ends his phone call with Isha and rushes toward the mysterious sack. His family members also gather around, confused and frightened. Nobody has the courage to imagine what could be hidden inside. The camera builds suspense as Suraj slowly kneels beside the sack. His hands are trembling. His breathing becomes heavier. For a few seconds, nobody speaks. The silence itself becomes frightening. Finally, Suraj unties the rope holding the sack closed. As the cloth slowly opens, everyone is left completely speechless. Inside appears to be the lifeless body of Suraj's father. The horrifying sight completely shatters Suraj. His eyes fill with tears. His hands begin shaking uncontrollably. He cannot believe what he is seeing. For a few moments, he simply stands there without moving, as though time itself has stopped. The entire family breaks down in tears. The house that was filled with happiness only moments ago suddenly becomes a place of unbearable grief. Everyone is asking the same question. How could this happen? Who could commit such a cruel act? According to the upcoming storyline, suspicion immediately falls on the powerful goons who have been threatening Suraj's family for a long time. They wanted to remove every obstacle standing in their way, and Suraj's father may have become their biggest target. If this shocking incident turns out to be true, it will completely transform Suraj's personality. Until now, Suraj has always believed in honesty, patience, and justice. He believed every criminal should be punished through the law. He believed kindness was stronger than violence. But losing his father in such a brutal way could destroy those beliefs forever. His sorrow slowly begins turning into anger. That anger soon becomes an unstoppable desire for revenge. For the first time, Suraj may decide that simply waiting for justice is no longer enough. He may choose to hunt down every criminal responsible for destroying his family. This emotional transformation could become the biggest turning point in the history of the show. Viewers may soon witness an entirely new version of Suraj. A fearless, a determined, and emotionally broken man who refuses to forgive anyone responsible for his father's suffering. Every step he takes from now on could be driven by one purpose: to make the guilty pay for what they have done. Meanwhile, Isha may also find herself facing the toughest challenge of her life. She knows the kind hearted Suraj better than anyone else. She understands the pain he is going through. But she also knows that revenge can destroy a person from the inside. Will she be able to stop Suraj before his anger changes him forever? Will she convince him to trust the law instead of choosing violence? Or will she stand beside him as he fights against the powerful enemies threatening his family? These questions are expected to become the emotional heart of the upcoming episodes. At the same time, fans have started discussing another major possibility. Could this shocking incident lead to a massive leap in the story? Many viewers believe Suraj's life will never be the same again after this tragedy. The innocent young man who always dreamed of a peaceful future may now become someone completely different. Instead of chasing happiness, he could dedicate his entire life to exposing the criminals and protecting his loved ones. However, there is still another mystery that cannot be ignored. Television promos are often designed to surprise viewers. Sometimes they show scenes that appear shocking without revealing the complete truth. So, another possibility is that this heartbreaking moment is only part of a larger conspiracy. What if Suraj's father is actually alive? What if the villains have staged everything to emotionally destroy Suraj before launching an even bigger attack? Could someone else be behind the entire plan? Could there be another hidden enemy secretly controlling everything from the shadows? These unanswered questions have made fans even more excited for the upcoming episodes. One thing is absolutely certain. The next chapter of Pati Brahmachari promises intense emotions, heartbreaking family moments, unexpected revelations, dangerous confrontations, and twists that could completely change the future of every major character. Whether this tragedy is real or part of a larger mystery, Suraj's journey is about to enter its darkest phase. The battle between justice and revenge is only beginning. Now it's your turn. Do you think Suraj's father is really gone? Will Suraj choose revenge, or will he continue fighting for justice? Is this the beginning of a brand new chapter in the serial? Share all your predictions in the comments below because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more daily TV serial updates, spoilers, reviews, and exciting upcoming twists. Thank you so much for watching video.